Leo is sleeping. It is a quiet night. Everything looks peaceful.
Milo wakes up. He is not sleepy. He wants to explore.
Oh no, my bowl is empty. I am hungry. I see food.
But the food is too high.
Good morning, Milo. Are you hungry? Here is your food. Milo is happy. Finished already? Milo is still hungry. Huh? You want more food?
Milo sees something.
Look, Milo.
It is a cat treat. Milo is very happy.
What are you doing, Milo?
Milo has a secret.
Are you hiding your treat?
Very clever, Milo.
Milo comes back. He wants his treat. Milo cannot remember.
Meow? Did you forget?
Milo is searching. He looks everywhere. Still looking, Milo? But he cannot find it.
Milo slowly walks to the sofa. He stops and sniffs around.
Meow! Good job, Milo!
He is very happy. Milo wants to share.
Is this for me? Meow. Thank you, Milo.
They are best.
Milo found his treat. He is happy now.
Good job, Milo. It is a beautiful morning.
Best friends are together.
Milo hears something.
Chirp, chirp.
He is very curious.
Meow? What is that sound?
Milo sees the bird.
Chirp, chirp. It is a pretty bird.
Milo watches carefully.
Hello. Hello, little bird.
The bird is friendly. Milo is not afraid.
Oh no! What happened? The bird has a problem. I need help.
Leo helps the bird.
Don't worry. Thank you.
Now the bird is free.
This is for you. For me? Thank you for helping me. Wow! Thank you!
The bird has a gift.
You are my friend.
Yes, Leo. The bird trusts Leo. They are friends now.
Come with me. Where are we going? I want to show you something. Meow?
A new adventure begins.
Wow! This place is beautiful. I love this garden.
It is a special place.
Hello, little rabbit. Hello. Are you okay? I am lost.
The rabbit needs help.
I cannot find my home. Don't worry. We can help. Meow? Meow. Let's look together.
This way.
Okay, let's go. I can see from above.
The friends follow the path.
Look! What is it? These are rabbit footprints. This is a good clue.
The friends are getting closer.
My home! You found it! That's wonderful! Meow!
The rabbit is very happy.
Mom! Dad! You are home!
We were worried.
We found your rabbit.
The family is together again.
Thank you, Leo.
Thank you for helping.
You are kind friends.
You are welcome. You are welcome. Meow! This is for you. For us?
Thank you for your help.
Wow! Thank you! Thank you for watching. See you next time. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye, friends. See you in the next video.